Hey everybody, Garrett Giuliani here at Skyline Homes of Nampa, ready to review the Hillcrest G818. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a den/office house coming in around 1,400 square feet. It's one of our fan favorites. And on the front of the home, we decided to put the Craftsman front porch. Is one of our unique front porches that give it a totally different look than the traditional manufactured homes that so many people are used to. It has a hip roof on the right half, a single wide gable on the other half, and then it comes up to a double wide truss behind that. Again, totally unique look. What a wonderful place if you got a view on your property that you want to make sure you can go out and enjoy at any time of the day. This is an awesome option. Skyline is such a wonderful manufacturer. It's very custom, really allows you to decide what your home is going to look like and what you want to put on your house. So why don't we go ahead and head inside, start checking out this home. So again, it's called the Craftsman offset front porch. We have the offset on the left side versus the right side. Again, you can flip the homes left and right, so you can choose which side of the house that offset is on. This first side is a 6-foot porch with the Craftsman pillars, black pickets, Trex decking. And then this other half, again, with the single wide gable that you can see up here. We put the crow's feet in there for a nice little accented look. And you get about a 10 to 11 foot front porch on this side. Now, with this G818 specifically, this section of the porch comes standard with the house, whether you do a porch or not. It's a recessed entry with the Monterey half-light front door. This recessed entry is a part of the standard footprint of this floor plan. So if you choose this plan, even if you don't do the porch, you're going to get a nice accented look because of the entry on this home standard. So why don't we go ahead and head inside, start checking the house out. So inside, you will see that we've done quite a few upgrades in this home. We have kind of our classic Mac tower dormer, tower dormers that we do with Skyline that we reviewed in all the previous videos. Again, this is the Mac tower dormer. It comes with the 30 by 58 windows with the 30 by 15 transoms above it. Inside of the Mac tower, you get this tray ceiling with the crown molding. And then anytime you do a Mac tower or a Skyview dormer in our homes, you have to cathedral the rest of the house. Now, in other homes that you've seen this with, we've had the cathedral, the Mac tower, and then we partial high flatted the kitchen side of the home. This time we chose to leave the vault and the cathedral on this half of the house. So you can see how that shifts our kitchen a little bit. It does keep the cabinets a little bit lower, but it gives it a nice cozy feel when you're over in this side of the house. And by doing the Mac tower on this side, it really lifts up the room, gives the living room, dining room area incredibly spacious feel to it. And when you add all of these windows throughout the home, again, when you're on that property, you don't have to just be out on your porch in order to get that view that you're looking for. You can be in here entertaining, cooking at the same time, and any direction that you look, you have that view that you've always wanted. So inside this kitchen, we did keep this one pretty standard. We upgraded the appliances. We upgraded the single bowl sink. We have the full height tile backsplash throughout, ribbed glass pantry door, and quartz countertops. But other than that, this layout, this look, this is all very standard for the Hillcrest series of houses. Doesn't matter what floor plan you end up doing. This is how your kitchen will look with a couple upgrades that we can discuss when you come in to see us and explore our homes. So, before we go back, on this side, we do have the utility room over here. So it's not a Jack and Jill utility room. It's got the full height overhead cabinets, very easy to relocate windows. There's no windows on this side of the house. So if you're wanting to build on an attached garage, this is a great floor plan to do that. We can cut back the eaves, have your contractor build the garage right in, tie it in. It's going to be its own standing structure, but it'll look like a attached garage. And we can even send more pieces with you for lap siding to match, hardy siding to match, paint to match, whatever you need to make that thing look like an attached garage. We can help make that happen. So let's head back. Again, we have the cathedral throughout the whole house. This is on the smaller side of floor plans at 1,400 square feet. You've got your guest bathroom over here. We did add the overhead cabinets. We changed up the countertop style and went with the black painted cabinets. It's something that you can do with us at any time. You do not have to just choose one color of cabinet or one design of countertop. You can mix and match throughout the house, whatever you need. This home is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a den. Here's the den. We've got it set up as an office. We did put the wood blinds throughout this house, and then we optioned in the double door, and then we further optioned in the 10 light glass doors for that office luxury feel for your home office. And then over here, we have the bedroom number 2 with the master bath and master bedroom over on this side. You have a full walk-in closet with wood shelves in this house. You have a nice big 13 by 13 master bedroom with the en-suite bathroom. And over here, we did the classic Skyline freestanding tub deluxe master bath package. And then we also added in the LED backlit mirrors. No vanity. We omitted the vanity. We've been getting this a lot lately. This is the cosmetic bump up. Skyline no longer offers this option. It ends up being now a flat top, but we can get the cosmetic cabinet regardless. And so again, we have the freestanding tub on this one. We have the linen cabinet in the back. You have a really nice ledge with the quartz countertops on there. And then just behind this door, we have the Cortex tile shower. It's a separate upgrade that we decided to add it in. We felt like it was the finishing touch for this bathroom. So that it comes in 3 different colors. You can also go up to the tile shower or stick with the standard fiberglass walk-in shower. So that's the Hillcrest G818. Again, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a den, 3rd bedroom option, 1,400 square feet. We're open every day of the week, 9 to 6. Join us anytime to come see our homes or give us a call. We look forward to seeing you.